All right, in the next couple of minutes, we're going to crack open what is, seriously, maybe the single most powerful, time-saving trick in all of programming. You ready? Let's jump right in.
You know that feeling, right? When you're just stuck doing the same boring task over and over and over again. It's just mind-numbing, a total waste of time. Well, guess what? Programmers hate that feeling. I mean, they despise repetitive work. So naturally, they came up with this secret weapon, a really elegant way to just get rid of it forever. Okay, so let's dig into this. Section 1, the programmer's biggest chore. This is the exact problem that our secret weapon was made to solve. So to really get this, let's forget about code for just a second. Picture this. You're throwing a huge party and you've got this massive stack of 100 invitations you need to send out. Now imagine writing your return address by hand on every single one of those envelopes. 100 times. Ugh, it's a total nightmare, right? Your hand would cramp up, you'd be bored out of your mind. There's just gotta be a better way. And of course there is, which brings us to our next idea, the automatic stamping machine. So instead of that manual, hand-cramping nightmare, what if you had a machine? You just load in the whole pile of envelopes, push one button, and wham, it just stamps each one perfectly, one after the other. That's the dream, right? And that machine, that idea, that is exactly what a loop is in programming. It's your automatic machine. It takes a list of stuff and it does the exact same action to every single item on that list, no questions asked. So the instruction you're giving the computer is basically this. Take this list of things and do the exact same action to every single one of them. That's it. It's such a simple, powerful command. The computer doesn't get tired, it doesn't complain. It's just pure robotic efficiency. This is one of the most fundamental ideas in all of coding. Okay, so we've got the big idea down, the stamping machine. Now, let's see how we actually build this thing in code. Time for bringing the machine to code. So we're going to stick with our party theme. As you can see here, we've got our list. It's a Python list called friends, and inside we have 3 names, Alex, Sam, and Priya. The goal here is to do something for each person, but without having to write our code 3 different times. All right, let's break this down piece by piece. First up, you see for person. Think of person as a temporary name tag. It's going to pick up one name at a time. First, it'll be Alex, then Sam, and then Priya. Next, in friends. That just tells the computer which pile of names to work through. And then, the most important part, the indented line. That's the action. That is the stamp. Whatever you put there is what gets done for every single name on the list. Okay, you've seen the theory, you've seen the code, now it's your turn. Let's do a super quick test just to make sure this is all clicking. So, take a look at this code. We've got a list called tasks that has 4 things in it: email, calling, coding, and cleaning. Then we have a loop that's set up to print the word beep. So the question is, how many times is beep going to get printed? Think about it for a sec. Got an answer? The answer is 4. If you got that, nice one. You're getting it. And here's why. This is the key takeaway. The loop doesn't actually care what's in the list. Those words could be anything, numbers, names, whatever. All the loop does is count. It sees 4 items, so it says, okay, I'm doing the action 4 times. Simple as that. All right, let's zoom out for a second and just appreciate what you've learned here. This is the core of the power of automation. Think about it. You've just learned how to automate repetitive work. I mean, this simple idea is how programmers do incredible things, like analyzing millions of pieces of data, or processing thousands of photos, or sending out personalized emails to a huge list of customers. This isn't just about saving a bit of time. It's about unlocking a whole new level of what's possible. So that leads me to my final question for you. Now that you get this concept, this automatic stamping machine, think about your own life. What's the very first repetitive, boring task you'd want to automate away? So while you're thinking about that, we're going to wrap this up. Hey, if this explainer helped things finally click for you, if you finally get what a for loop is all about, do us a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It honestly helps us make more of these.